Hi everyone, welcome to chapter 3, which is leading project online project management. Before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Simon Lin. I'm the project manager at Crunch Traffic, and for more information, you can visit www.crunchtraffic.com. Okay, so this is what we are going to cover today in terms of online project management. So the first thing is about the basic of online project management. The second is about the benefit of online project management. And of course, the third is about example types of online project management. And besides the introduction of online project management tool, I would like to also do a demo, an online demonstration about how to set up an online project management tool via Trello, how to register, and of course, the second will be how you can manage multiple people or your team on a project. And the last but not least, which is how to track timelines and milestones. Okay. Okay. Now, in terms of basic of online project management, so basically, managing a project from start to finish is a big responsibility, right? Online project management is just like one of the approach where users can actually access on the internet, right? It can be in the form of mobile web browser or mobile apps. Okay, we're going to discuss about the benefits of online project management. So online project management helps individual or businesses to plan and organize project, which is very, very important. All right, and of course, the second is assign and delegate project tasks to your team members. Third is manage resources and estimate. You will need this is very important, especially for project where you want to know how much resources, how many people needed for this particular project. And the last one is how to track project milestone and the status actually, whether are you able to meet the project deadline on time. Now these are some of the online project management that is available online on the web-based basis. Some are free and some are actually paid. So the first one is actually Trello. Trello is actually the online project management tool, which is free for use. And second is actually Basecamp. Basecamp is actually more advanced project management tool. Teambox is actually a online project management and storage tool. For Zoho project, it's also another alternative online project management tool. And we have also Pivotal Tracker. Pivotal Tracker is a agile software project management tool for software developer. So these are some of the examples of online project management. And for today, we will only showcase one project management tool, which is Trello. So this is Trello bot. Okay, so basically the website is trello.com. And basically, as you can see here, there is actually four parts of Trello. Okay, the first is actually board. So board, imagine board is just like the title of the project. It can be a school event or to build a website or launch a product or or an event. At the same time, the second thing we have is list. So list is like a group of tasks, right? It can be like ideas, pitch, approval, implementation, as you can see here. And the third component of Trello is actually card. So card is basically the specific task that you actually assign to a specific team member. Okay, so in one card you can actually assign to one person or multiple person. You can actually have one task that is actually being assigned to a team of people where you can actually keep track uh, updates from that particular task. At the same time, we also have members. Members is actually an option for you to actually add in your team members. It can be from the project manager to your subcoordinate and also to your superior. So these are the four components of Trello, which contains of board, list, card, and members. So for today, we're going to do a online demonstration, right? Three topics that we're going to cover. First is actually to guide you how to register and how to set up the online project management tool. Alright, and the second is actually on how you can actually manage multiple people on a project, which is very, very crucial for a mid-scale or large-scale project. And last would be how you can keep track your timeline and milestones to ensure that your project can be delivered on time without any delays. So let's proceed. So first of all, I would like you to actually go to Trello.com. So basically, it's Trello.com. Now, once you load it to Trello.com, you should see a button. Alright, the button will be sign up button. Alright, so basically, in this Trello website, on the main page, it actually contains some information about Trello. Right, at the same time, you can also, if you would like to get more details, you can actually go to check out the tour section and also the blog section. Okay, so to start, what we can do is actually to click on sign up. So basically, in sign up field, you just have to fill in their name, their email, and their password. Just click to create a new account, or you can actually have an option to sign up using your Google account. So once you have signed up, basically you receive an email to actually verify your account, to actually sign up your account. And so for my case is I have actually create the account already. So I'll proceed to just uh, I'll just proceed to login. Now, so once you log in, you can actually see two sections here. First is the board section. Okay, second is actually the sidebar section. So in the sidebar section, you actually contains of boards, card, profile, notification, and of course, you would like to have new projects. This is where you add in your new projects. New organizations means that you have a lot of groups or teams for you to manage. Account settings where you change your password and your skills. Notification is where all the team update will actually pops up here in the notification. So let's say today that if we are assuming that today we're going to create a website, okay, for a product. Okay. Alright, so once you create a board, this is actually your board, and inside the board it contains three lists as you can see. Okay, so the three lists is to-do list, okay, the doing list, and the done list. And of course, you can add in more lists if you want over at this tab. And of course, on the top panel, you can actually see that you have filter cards, where you can actually filter cards if you have lots of cards, or you would like to share your board, or you would like to close your board. At the same time, at the bottom right, there is actually a member section where you can actually add members, add your team members into this board or project, and you can add as much member as you want for the project. Now, so let's let me guide you how do you actually create um, tasks using cards, right? So let's say, for example, in any website development, okay, so let's say we're gonna have domain name registration, we're gonna have web design, we're gonna have web development, we're gonna have quality assurance, we're gonna have pre-launch campaign, and of course launch date as well. So let's assume that you would like to what you can do is that in all these cards you can actually assign each card to specific user. Okay, so what you can do is that in the domain name registration you can just assign to Simon. Okay, you can also add a card description. You can say, okay, Simon, do register domain at abc.com, for example. Okay, and of course, if you like to manage the timeline on the milestone, you can also set a due date for Simon that he has to register by tomorrow at what time. Okay, and of course, when so this is the to-do list that is assigned to Simon. And of course, you can actually set a label. Uh, could be this label can be used as a priority. You can also change the label titles if you want, or you can actually say that yellow is important priority, green is important but not priority or urgent. Okay. Now after that, what you can do then, when Simon receives this notification, when Simon sees this to-do list, one of these to-do lists is being assigned to him, where the task is domain name registration. So when Simon sees this task, Simon will move to this doing task, and basically Simon just update. Simon is going to register the domain name today. Okay. So after that, what happens is you should update it. Alright, it's real time, and of course, Simon will proceed to register the domain name registration. So once Simon have done all the domain name registration, Simon move the card. You just have to drag the card to the done section to inform the team that the particular task is completed. And of course, and Simon also can choose to update the team. Let's say, okay, Simon has registered the domain name. Thanks. And of course, once you have done, you can also remove the due date. If not, it will keep on popping up and remind you again. So basically, so by now the entire team is aware that Simon has completed the domain name registration. Simon has also updated the the job board. Okay, and of course, this is just a short overview about Trello, and I would like to. Next is that's all for now, and I would like to thank for your time. Thanks for watching. Thank you.